The Sentient portal acts as a home page, providing information for the day as well as quick and easy access to most functionality of the program via the intuitive toolbar.
The custom-built Nexus Day View provides a view of the current day and all its respective appointments or meetings. Using drag and drop, these can be intuitively arranged to resolve conflicts and optimize time. Appointment times can also be dynamically resized. The shaded areas represent after hours and are stored in the current user's profile.
The also custom-built Nexus Task Pad shows current to-do items that need to be done for which there is no set time but maybe a deadline. These are arranged in order of priority and optional due date. Completed items can be crossed off.
Also included are 3 extra utilities: an option for setting multiple alarms, each with a message and recurring setting, a calculator function allowing quick calculations to be done from within the program, and an email utility allowing the user to quickly check and read messages in the inbox, as well as the ability to quickly compose an email.
Creating appointments or meetings is easy, and just one of the ways is via the intuitive day view. The start and stop times are selected and a pop-up menu lets you create the appointment.
The task screen provides a central area for managing all information about a project, appointment, meeting, to-do item or task.
In particular, it manages details such as task name, priority and location, and the project to which it belongs. The start and stop time as well as individual alarms or reminders, the people involved with the task or event and what their respective roles are, associated incomes and costs, each their relevant account, and any notes or personalized information.
The information has been carefully laid out to ensure all information is available quickly and at a glance, while concealing tab strips or subscreens having been carefully avoided. Sentient provides a company-wide address book to manage and organize all your contacts details both for people and companies. This includes a personal information and account and billing information.
Where one of the people added as having a role in a project or meeting is a user of the system, there exists an option to invite them. In this case, John, the owner of the meeting, has invited Neil, a fellow user of Sentient, to assist him as a consultant.
As soon as Neil logs in or finishes his current activity, he is presented with an invitation from John to the meeting. He is given summary information about the task such as location, creator, as well as his assigned role and the option to view the details. He can then either accept or reject the invitation. On accepting the task, it is then entered into his diary and he can specify his own preferences such as reminder time.
Meanwhile, John can review the status of each member's invitation, whether they accepted or rejected, and if the latter, what times they prefer the meeting to be.
The Sentient remote normally sits in the Windows system tray and takes ease of use one step further. Effectively an automated timesheet, the remote allows for on-the-fly recording of tasks and to-do items. All that is required is a brief description and the project to which the task belongs.
The correct start and stop time are recorded automatically. This allows for up-to-the-minute time tracking, the recording of actual time spent on to-do items and project subtasks. Additional information can be recorded if needed at a later stage. Each person involved in a task, appointment or meeting can set their own reminder for that event. They may set the warning time for the reminder, for example 30 minutes, as well as whether to use SMS or not.
At the predetermined time, the reminder alerts the user to the upcoming event, both with the preferred audio alert, flashing system tray icon, and summary window displaying information about the event. The user can view the task details, clear the alarm, or set a snooze.
If the SMS option was selected, the user is also reminded via their cell phone. This is covered in more detail.
Well, due to the fact that most of our users are on the road quite often, we needed a quick and efficient way of reminding them, so what better way than using cell phones? In using this, we decided to use SMS short message service for sending reminders about meetings or tasks. This displays where the task is, what time it is, and what date it is. This is run from our server, which spools off messages as they are required.
Finansplan, the sponsor for Sentient, stated expressly, they wanted the facility to easily create tasks and projects. The result? The Sentient Wizard. This allows users to create tasks and projects in 2 to 3 steps, while the other intuitive interfaces allow a more detailed view. Sometimes all the information is not yet available and time is at a premium.
Here we have chosen to create a project for Royal Scandia, which we will call the Scandia Takeover Bid. We are offered the option to create an associated account against which costs and income may be accrued. If an account is specified, the person responsible for its settlement is selected. At any later stage, the details such as finances, project teams and deadlines can be specified.
The Sentient Project Manager provides an overview of all projects and their associated subtasks, to-do items, and ad hoc on-the-fly tasks recorded using Sentient Remote. These in turn may contain sub-entities.
Summary data for a selected project can also be shown. This shows actual time for a project versus the estimated or expected time, and total figures for income and expenditure of a project. This Explorer view allows the management of projects by allowing the user to drag and drop tasks under various others and projects. In this way, at any stage, the information can be consolidated and ordered. Likewise, items can be changed and added to, as hindsight provides more information.
A subset of the Project Manager, Sentient Reports provides detailed analysis of tasks and projects. Reporting can either be run for a project or a person. A summary is shown on screen while a detailed report can be printed. There are 3 types of reports for project analysis. All project tasks shows the work breakdown structure of all the tasks that are a subset of the selected project. In this case, Old Mutual green line is shown, along with summary details such as total income and costs for each task.
Time allocation shows the amount of time spent on a project per day over the period of the project. As can be seen for this project, there was a rush of effort on the project on its start, followed by a period where relatively little work was done. As the deadline approached, the project became a priority and large amounts of time were spent on it.
Profitability analysis. This plots the project's incomes and costs over the period of the project. Also conveniently displayed is the corresponding net profit of the project.
The reports for a person allow you to manage and track your employees' working time. Detailed information can be shown for each of the tasks a person has worked on to complete a project. This is shown either in an itemized table with the option to show each task in detail, or a graphical chart showing a broad overview. Of importance to Finansplan was the ability to compare the actual income derived from a project with the monetary value of the time and effort invested in the project. Here, Old Mutual Green Line is an unprofitable project for the firm, as it is requiring more time than income generated. The Old Mutual International project, however, is of profit to the firm, generating sufficient income for the time and effort required.
Sentient's use of intelligent objects makes it possible to do a global search of all information in Sentient in one place. Either text or date criteria can be specified, which are used in the search. In this case, all items containing the keyword insurance are displayed. From here, further details can be viewed.
Sentient is aimed at business professionals, people who are on the move and will need to keep their business information by their side. Sentient does this. Synchron allows the user to take their information such as their tasks, contacts and even their finances with them on a laptop. They're able to view and edit these at a remote location as needed.
On returning to the office, any changes users have made to their laptop will be uploaded to the database, and any records changed at the office downloaded to their laptop. When using a replicated database, conflicts will occur where the same information has been changed both at the office and on the laptop. Sentient resolves these automatically by monitoring changes down to database field level.
An important aspect of any time management application is to allow for recording and management of financial information. Charges are recorded for particular tasks in real time, along with the relevant accounting information. These charges and expenses can be modified or dismissed for one last time before being packaged into invoices. Under certain circumstances, the user may wish to record payment against an invoice, which Sentient caters for.
Once invoices have been created, the charges can no longer be edited. This ensures that accounting controls remain in place. The packaged invoices can then be exported into a financial accounting package such as QuickBooks. This means that Sentient does not try to be an additional accounting package, but rather works with your existing accounting system. This means less work as financial information is recorded once in Sentient and entered automatically into QuickBooks. Financial information is not duplicated, business rules and company policies can be updated, and all the functionality of a professional package becomes part of Sentient.
Expense items recorded in Sentient are also exported to the relevant account, such as entertainment or stationery.
The Sentient SMS applet runs on the central server. It automatically polls for reminders needing to be sent via SMS, and these are then sent via the internet.
Sentient's online help reference guides users through the various functions of the program by providing step-by-step instructions as well as any additional information.
All in all, Sentient is a comprehensive, easy-to-use business tool. Sentient organizes all dimensions of your business: your time, your work, your contacts, and your money.